I'm Angelica Runday. I'm 30 years old. I'm working here in a remote area of Agbalite as a missionary teacher in Quezon, Katutubo Excel School with my family for 2 years. My first village was in Pinagbayanan, and now my mission is in Agbalite village. When I was young, it did not come into my mind to be a missionary. When I finished college, I felt that I want it, and there was a voice saying to me that I have to go. But there's another voice telling me that not to go. However, I was not defeated that voice. I asked God to help me instead until I became victorious. In my journey as a missionary, there were different challenges that I encountered. Challenges that I became strong and fully trusted in the Lord. God shows me who I am. He never leaves me when I experience difficulties in my life. And I feel that I'm far from danger and temptation. My talents are showed with the help of God. My confidence, little by little, were developed, especially my spiritual growth. I learned on how to deal with people and to be patient with my students. I'm happy and blessed to be part of this mission.